Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to use AutoClicker on Android. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Play Store and search for OP AutoClicker. I like to use this application because it has so many good reviews and many people have downloaded this application. So click on install. Once it is installed, click on open and give the accessibility to your phone of this app, and then go to click on accept, and it will take you to the accessibility. Then click on the OP AutoClicker and give it the access. Click on allow and then head over to the application. Once you are there, head over, you can see there are two different modes. One is single target mode and another one is multiple target mode. So let's start using single target mode. Once you click it, you can choose the place where you can just set the target and just play it. Once you play it, the click is already started, and if you just turn off that AutoClicker application, the target is still on and the click is going. And yeah, that's how you can do it. You can also stop it by clicking the stop icon on the left, and once you're there, you can just also turn it off by clicking the cross and head over to the application again. Then we are going to use this start multi-target mode. So once you click it, you can just add the multiple targets by using the plus icon, and this is the first one. You can just add as much as you want, and I have added these three. And there is a swiping option on the yellow color, and it allows us to know that the swipe is going to happen from S4 to E4, and just click on start and the swipe is done. And yeah, that's it. Click on cross and it is just turned off. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.